All right, welcome back. Trade the Matrix. This is Morph. SPX day trade plan review. Quick reminder this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. If you find this content helpful, please hit the like button, comment down below what you think, hit the bell notification. With that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. SPX day trade plan price 73.95, pivot 73.90.5. So the current price was 73.95 when I was making the plan, and I established the pivot was 73.90.5. VIX was at 18, about 18 and a half. So a couple different scenarios here. Just going to show you how they kind of played out. So here was the New York Open. We had a gap down, and this is 5 minute candles. So this candle opened up at 73.90, right at our pivot level, and it did push up to a price of 73.95 and a low of 73.88, and it closed at 73.85. So basically, it opened up, pushed up slightly, and then pushed back down below our pivot. So I don't necessarily encourage people to trade the open. It's not for everybody, but if you're trading like a robot, potentially, you can target obviously the support level here, 73.73, and that happened in quick fashion here off of the open. So immediately, if you had just shorted the open at the market, you were able to catch a quick move down within the first 30 minutes. So there's 10 a.m. A nice little bounce right here at support, and then around 10:25 here, you can see that this candle comes back down, closes below our support level. That brings us to the bearish portion of the plan. Break below 73.73, 7 target 73.52. You can see here that this happens in pretty quick fashion. Comes right down and actually dips below. But by 11:10, we pretty much hit the target. So the time of this trade pretty much took from the close here, 10:25, to full target, 11:10. There was some quick wicks down here. They also could have capitalized, 73, 73.55 as well. But you know, to reach full potential, this basically that happened around 11:10. Then obviously it pushed down. Had we dipped down further, my next target would have been 73.18. That was the next extension down. But heading into the lunch, we did bounce. This area is acting as resistance. And then once we recover this after 1 o'clock, you can see we've got a bullish fair value gap here highlighted. So you had break of structure, bullish fair value gap. Then this comes up and you got change of character. This is a pretty good sign for a reversal when you have a market structure shift with multiple fair value gaps. So you could have taken this long here from 73.52, as you see, right up to 73.73. And then upon reclaiming 73.73, you could have taken that long into our pivot here, 73.90. Upon reclaiming this pivot here, you could have taken that right into resistance at 74.07, almost a full gap fill. About 4 points off from that. So that was just a quick rundown. I get a lot of questions. How do I view these? How do I interpret the levels? And is a level invalid after it's crossed? And the short answer is no. Basically, they're you can look at them as SR flips. Intraday. So when I make my plan, I'm pretty much looking for um, the most liquid areas of the market, equal highs, equal lows, and then kind of formulate the plan around that. So I always have a three-prong approach. There's a bullish, a bearish, and then potentially a range. If we're hanging out between support and resistance, this is considered kind of a range day. But we basically we had a nice move down, we had a nice move back up, and yeah, so that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, comment down below, hit the bell notification. Thanks for hanging out.